How to use a Rocket Money app to negotiate your bills. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to use Rocket Money to negotiate your bill, you must submit your service provider's detail through the app and their team will contact the provider on your behalf. First thing first, you want to open the Rocket Money app on your device. Go to the Ways to Save section on the dashboard and select Lower Bills. Once you do this, you want to select service provider from the provider list. If yours is not listed, select can't find your service at the bottom to enter the details manually. Next, you just want to make sure to provide your account login credentials or upload a clear photo of your most recent billing statement to verify your service. Then you have to follow the prompt to enter your negotiation preferences, such as whether you are willing to remove certain features to save money. Then you have to set success fee percentage, that could be between 35 to 60%, and provide a payment method, and this fee is only charged if the negotiation is successful. And that is how you're supposed to use a Rocket Money app to negotiate your bill. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.